Here at Roman's Jewelry, we have this quarter repeater pocket watch. By far one of my favorite pocket watches. It has an unusual case. It's called a salesman's case. So they would have this pocket watch up for sale, and they'll put it in a case like that so customers can see the movement. It is a stem wind and lever set pocket watch. The movement has been serviced, and it does come with a 1-year warranty. And all this was done in-house by one of our watch masters. It is a 17 jewel. The pocket watch does have some hairlines on the dial. It is a porcelain dial. Beautiful fancy hands. I will have a link below with more information and also where you can purchase it. Thanks for looking.